Here is how to use the Clio Manage Timer widget step by step. Begin by opening Clio Manage and waiting until the main workspace is fully visible. Once you are on the main screen, look to the top right corner for the timer widget. This is the control you will use to track time as you work. Click the timer widget to start tracking your time. As soon as you click it, the timer begins counting the time you spend on the task. While the timer is running, Clio Manage records the duration in the background, so you can continue with your work and return to the timer when you are done. When you have finished the work you want to record, go back to the same timer widget in the top right corner and click it again to stop the timer. After you stop it, the Edit Time Entry window opens automatically. This is where you connect the track time to the right record and review the details before saving. In the Edit Time Entry window, start by selecting the matter associated with the work. Make sure you choose the correct matter before moving on, since this determines where the time entry will be recorded. Next, select an activity category. Choose the category that matches the type of work you performed. This helps organize the entry and makes the recorded time easier to identify later. After that, enter a description of the work performed. Use wording that clearly reflects the task you completed, so the entry is useful when reviewed later. The description should match the actual work tied to the track time. Now review the remaining details in the window. Check the duration first to confirm that the recorded time matches what you intended to track. If needed, adjust it directly in the field. Then review the date to make sure the time entry is assigned to the correct day. Check the firm user field as well, especially if more than one user works in the account, and confirm that the entry is assigned correctly. After that, review the rate and update it if necessary so the time entry reflects the correct billing amount. If the time should not be billed, check the non-billable option before saving. This is the setting to use when you want to keep a record of the time without creating a billable charge. Once everything looks correct, click Save Entry. That records the track time in Clio Manage with the matter, activity, description, and other details you selected or adjusted. Your track time entry is now saved in Clio Manage.